Welcome back to the Sneaker Division. I'm your host, Cesar Perez.
Jeremy Cash.
And we have another episode for ya. Another one for ya. I snatched a couple shoes. Let's do this.
Oh, I already know what that is off the top. Those are some Kobe's right there. Those are some Kobe's, my friend.
Let's go, man.
And those are Jordan.
Oh, snap. Go ahead, my friend. Open the Kobe's.
I want to save the Kobe's.
You want to save the Kobe's? We can jump into the
I want to save the
Jordans.
Kobe's. Save the Kobe's for last. Out of respect.
I feel that.
What are these?
These, my friend, are the Jordan Jumpman RX Pros.
I mean, I couldn't tell that they were called Jumpmans at all. Like, it doesn't say it on the tongue or nothing.
Yeah.
These look dope though. I like the stitching. I like the way they combine the white and the black leather with that like nylon piece and like the stitching all the way around. That looks dope.
Then I like this like big old piece on the other side.
Looks like it's got a button on the back,
Yeah.
like a stash button or something. It's weird. I like the checkered bottoms. I like they're pretty dope. Like, what's the story behind these?
So these pays homage to like the regular Jumpman. I don't know. They just took a lot of different influences from the Jumpman and took it to the next level.
And that's why it's called the Jumpman Pro.
Yeah, the Jumpman Pro RX. RX.
What does that stand for? Do you know?
I have no clue. I want to say like racer. I mean, that's what it kind of makes me feel like you're about to like race or something.
See that little checker flag on the bottom or something?
Yeah, like. But I saw these and I was like, I'm a fan of Jumpmans and these are dope. These are unique.
They literally have like what, 3 Jumpman logos on the tongue, and then it says Jumpman.
Yep.
And then it's got 2 big Jumpman logos on the side.
So these
aren't Jordans or Nikes?
Oh, they're Jordans.
They're Jordans.
They're Jordans.
Okay.
There's a Jumpman series.
But there's no Nike emblem on this at all.
No, at all. And you know what else it doesn't have for the first time?
What's that?
This is the very first Jordans that does not have a number 23 on it.
Okay. That's notable as Sorry to my editor for having to cut that. And there's another Jumpman logo on the bottom too.
So,
I like the colorway. Like, these are definitely easy to rock. Yeah. Like, you can pretty much rock these with any type of like outfit at all. So
there's a black and red one too that came out, and I might snatch those too. Let's see how I feel.
That's what's up.
Yeah,
I like them. Those are pretty sick. I like that. What series are these?
So these are the Mamba Furies.
I was expecting a Kobe Pro 4.
So these are the Mamba Furies. These actually got released this year.
But yeah, these are dope, man. I like is that like the Mamba like DNA on the back basically, like snake and DNA and one little symbol. That's pretty dope.
This is the first time the Fury series comes out.
Okay.
And so yeah, the first thing that Nike dropped when Nike started re-releasing Kobe shoes was the Fury, but it was the like the Bruce Lee type of colorway. You know what I'm talking about? It had like that black and that red and yellow and black.
Yeah, it's black, yellow, and it's like little like red slashes or whatever.
So yeah. So those are those Furies are the first one to drop, and that was like his first. That was his first model of that. So yeah, Pro Tros do drop, and those are super hard to get as well. But so are these. As soon as I saw these, I had to snatch them because the color is big.
No, I like these a lot. This reminds me like instantly I think of like Joker.
Yeah.
Whenever I see these, just because purple and green. But I like the big Nike swoosh on the side. That looks amazing.
Yeah.
And like the texture behind it, like the tactile feel behind it, looks really nice.
Absolutely.
I like the whatever that what is this?
That's a snake. That's that Mamba figure.
Okay.
That's that Mamba.
It's like a
snake skin.
But it's like etched instead of like actual snake skin. That's really dope. I like that a lot.
Exactly. It's got the Nike Zoom technology. It's got the easy pull heel tab at the back side.
Is this real? Like I need to see if we can find out what this says in Braille, because I'm pretty sure this is Braille. I like these a lot, man. I mean, obviously I'm partial to green too, so, and purple's another one of my favorite colors, so. These are really sick in my opinion. I like the bottom, how it's like split 50, like purple and, yeah, purple and black. And yeah, I've always liked this little emblem too. Like, so Kobe's rest in peace, obviously, but
and I just ordered and I got it today at the house. My Fury t-shirt, that's the same purple.
Nice.
So I can rock these with that.
That's what's up, man. Till next time. It's nice to be important. More important, be nice.
And me will catch you later. I think the missile went too far.
Just went too far.
I went too far.
Alright, until next time. Thanks for watching our video, guys. There's more over here if you like where that came from.
Remember, like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. We'll catch you later.